Welcome back to our Flexbox tutorial. In this tutorial we'll learn everything about Flexbox in CSS. But before we start coding, let's understand a few concepts about Flexbox. First of all, what is a Flexbox? A Flexbox is a short name for Flexbox layout model designed to make it easy for us to lay out items in one dimension, either columns or rows. Flexbox is designed to provide a more efficient way to lay out, align, and distribute space among items in a container, even when their size is unknown or dynamic. Flexbox is especially useful for creating complex layout and ensuring responsive design. But why should you use Flexbox in your design? CSS Flexbox enables you to vertically center a block of content inside its parents, space items evenly, make all the children of a container take up an equal amount of available width and height, regardless of how much width and height is available. And it also enables you to make all the columns in a multi-column layout adopt the same height, even when they contain a different amount of content. A flex container is the parent element where the flex item resides. You can define it using the property display with the value of flex. And flex items are the direct children of the flex container. They are the elements that will be arranged within a container. So this is it for this introduction video. In the next episode we'll learn how to set up a basic Flexbox container. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos about CSS Flexbox. Stay tuned.